So once you have access to your Discord account and you already joined the MidJourney community, now it's time to start generating. As we discussed in the previous video, you can easily generate art in these Discord pages. However, I should note here that if the servers of MidJourney are quite loaded, then they will not allow free users to use them. So it is a very high chance that you're trying to generate an AI art, but since the MidJourney servers are overloaded, they will allow just paid users. This doesn't happen every time, but it could happen time to time. So usually you can create a prompt by writing in one of those chats here, and what you need to do is to write a backslash imagine, and then here you can type some prompt for MidJourney to generate an image. You can either write some text or you can also send an image from the web or the link of that image for MidJourney to work with. For example, I can write a guy playing on a guitar, and you can see that, for example, right now we do require subscription in order to create images with MidJourney, and this is because the servers are overloaded, so they stopped their free trial. So this is a good opportunity for me to show you how you can actually create a paid plan if you're interested in that. So if I click open subscription page, you will get a notice that you're leaving Discord. So let's click visit site, and from there you can click on your profile and click purchase a plan. So those are the plans that MidJourney offers, and of course if you use the annual plan, you're going to be charged less. But let's create a monthly plan, and you can see that the minimum it's $10 and the maximum is $60 a month. For $10 you get guaranteed 200 generations a month. You can access the member gallery and you can run 3 jobs at the same time. For $30 a month you have 15 hours. The first 15 hours you can do fast generations, which means that the images that you try to generate will be faster. You will also have unlimited generations and also all the things that the basic plan offers. And for $60 a month you will be able to run 12 jobs at the same time, and you have access to 30 hours of fast generations. So I will get the basic plan so you can see how it works. So I will click here subscribe, and then here you will need to add your information. So once you add your information, you can easily click subscribe, and then you will get this thank you message for subscribing to the monthly plan. Immediately after you activate your subscription plan, your payment will be successful and also it will be immediately activated. So now I can close that and my subscription plan is ready. After you are done with purchasing your subscription, you can click here and then go to Discord. So now you can easily go to the newbies channels. So now if I write a backslash imagine and then I type a guy playing a piano and click enter, you'll see that within a minute the MidJourney will generate an image. And here is the image, and it will normally give you 4 variations, so you can see how mysterious this image looks like even though we don't specify any styles. This is usually the default style of MidJourney, but of course you can specify a lot more things. So this is how, guys, you can create a paid account or a basic account and generate an image. Thanks for watching, and in the next videos we will explore the different styles and ways with which you can generate an amazing AI art using MidJourney.